In this video, I am going to teach you how to transfer crypto from KuCoin to your Robinhood wallet. Whether you're consolidating assets or testing out Robinhood's crypto features, this guide will make the process simple. Watch closely so you don't miss any important details. Let's get started. First, go to KuCoin and sign into your account. Make sure your account is fully verified for seamless withdrawals. Then go to the Assets option, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This section shows your current crypto balances. Next, in the options at the top, choose Funding Account. This is where your withdrawable assets are stored. After that, find the crypto you want to transfer and click Withdraw next to it. KuCoin will prompt you to enter the destination address. Now paste your Robinhood wallet address and select the exact same network shown in your Robinhood receive screen. This step is crucial to avoid any transfer errors. That's how to send crypto from KuCoin to Robinhood quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical crypto guides. See you next time!